pairing your new wireless headphones for the first time. First, have your headphones charged and ready. Hold down the multifunction button for 2 seconds to power on. The LED light will flash red and blue. Your headphones is now in pairing mode. Next, switch on your device. Turn Bluetooth on. Select your headphones from the list of available devices. Your headphones is now ready. How to switch volume limit modes. Quickly click both buttons at the same time to toggle between modes. Default is safe mode. Toggle once to switch to pop mode. 3 LED lights will flash on the headphones. Toggle once more to switch back to safe mode. 2 LED lights will flash on the headphones. How to answer and end calls. During an incoming call, press once to answer. Press once to end call. How to reject calls. During an incoming call, hold 1 second to reject call. How to factory reset the headphones. First, hold the multifunction button for 2 seconds to switch on. Next, hold down the 2 buttons together for 5 seconds. Your headphones will now reset and auto switch off.